What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Trees and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm just gonna do a quick little Amazon unboxing. All of my all the windows and stuff is open, so if you hear any noise or dogs barking or people talking, that's why. It's a nice day out, so I decided to have all the windows and doors open because yeah. Anyway, let's just get to this unboxing. So the first thing I got is this Nazara Dandruff shampoo. All this stuff is from Amazon. This shampoo really works for my scalp. I absolutely love this shampoo. I needed this. This is my baby. I absolutely love this. Like, I cannot. My scalp, if you have itchy, flaky, dandruffy scalp, you definitely need this product. So go ahead and get you some Nazara shampoo, anti-dandruff shampoo. It definitely works. Like, it works. The next thing I got is another hold on. Oh, okay. The next thing I got is another iPad case. So mine right now, I'm gonna take the pencil out. But mine right now, it looks like this. And I haven't seen any that I like on Amazon, but this one, so I bought another one. So we just gonna change it. This is my iPad, and this is what it looks like. Real nice, real cute. Okay. So I'm just gonna take this out. Yes, ma'am. I love this case. And I'll put my pencil in. Boom. So pretty. And then yes, so I can throw this new one out. I mean, this old one out. Yeah, I didn't like that, and it was like it was just time for a new one, you know, like, yeah. So, and these were the stickers that I had on there, but I'm gonna give me some new stickers. But yeah, I love it. I love it. It really looks like a composition book, don't it? But it's an iPad. Okay. And the next thing I got, so my phone case is, let me just show y'all. I could show you better than I could tell you. So this is what my phone case looks like. It's ripping. So yeah, I had to get me a new phone case. I just got a clear one because I didn't want nothing to... I just got a clear phone case. You gonna see it together? Oh, okay. It's cute. So, yeah. Just got me a clear phone case. And I also got tired of this thing. Like, I got tired of it. So yeah, I just wanted something with like a smooth back. So yeah, that is everything I got off of Amazon. I enjoyed my purchases. Like I said, I needed some more Nazara shampoo. That was a need. And I wanted a new case for my iPad because yeah, I just wanted a new one, and I needed a new phone case. So real nice, real cute. I'll show y'all how it look recording off of my iPad. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Trees, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace. Okay, y'all, so this is my phone. This is what it looks like. This is, home screen, and then this is the case, and it's like a hard back case. I really like that. And yeah, this is just what it looked like. So all right, I have to change this privacy screen because this looks like nail glue. I believe it's nail glue. I got it on there, so I have to change my privacy screen. But yeah, it is a privacy screen. Let me show y'all. Like, see, you see, and even if okay, yeah, but I'm doing too much. But yeah, this is my phone case. I like it. Real nice. Amazon, $6. Okay, bye.